So far, our number is 47. We are expecting the number to increase dramatically from 47 up until the end of the day. We are not sure what it's going to, but we are at 47 now. It's 26 girls and 21 boys. We are very excited with the kids that we have, and we want to wish the parents of the babies that were born. We will congratulate them on the healthy babies that were born today. Like you correctly say, we continue to be worried because this is the matter we are raising for the first time this year, to say we see quite a number of teenage mothers that are giving birth. As of this morning, we had 3 15-year-olds that gave birth. Now, the biggest worry about 3 15-year-olds is that it literally means they fell pregnant when they were 14. And that is something that is just not acceptable, should not be acceptable in our society. We have 2 17-year-olds, we have 1 16-year-old and an 18-year-old so far. And these are all in different facilities, not just one. We have 1 in Emmaus, we have 1 in St. Andrews, and another one, Wahlabisa. Now, I continue, and I want to continue to make the call to the society, to the community, to leaders of the community, to say we must not accept a situation where a 14-year-old gives birth and it's business as usual, or as society we accept that as normal. We must not do that. We must really fight. I made this call last year and I did the same thing the previous year. We must continue to have a pattern. The problem with it is that it's a societal issue. It's not just the Department of Health that can do this. The Department of Health has reproductive services available, and we can't force people to take tablets, we can't force people to get on those, but we can speak to young people to encourage them to actually utilize our services. But we as a society together collectively need to work towards what is it that we need to do for a 23-year-old that impregnates a 14-year-old, because this is what happened in this particular case. You have 2 19-year-olds that impregnated the other 15-year-olds. Now, as a society, we must have a proper discussion and plan on what is it that needs to be done. And as women, we can stand up and fight and say all manner of things that we want to say and we want to fight about. But this scourge is not going to end until the men in our society stand up and say not in our name. So it's a partnership that we must have as a society, as a community, and as both men and women.